New scent release, new scent release. We got one from Crusher's Creations, Fruity Fusion, coming at you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards, like how to get the white stripe in it. No, just kidding. That was 43 years of Mother Nature right there. But we also do product reviews and unboxings, and we have a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures to me to the email address you see below. I tell you, look at it for a couple weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video, so make sure you check that out if you haven't. But we've got another new release from Crusher's Creations, and this one is a summer scent and is totally different than anything he's ever done. And it was so different that he's already decided he is going to put this one in the permanent line. So you will have the options to get the Fruity Fusion in the future. So it's not just a limited release. And this one is Fruity Fusion. It says a blissful berry mix, but all of his oils are jojoba, sweet almond, grapeseed, castor, and essential oil and fragrance oil blend, made in the USA, made in North Carolina. All right, and then we've got the butter as well. If you notice, this is a little bit different container than what his butter usually comes in. This is a special edition kind of glass container for his butter. That's the first 20 people that order it gets that. And then once those are up, he's going to go back, I think go back to his traditional butter containers and then also make balms to go with it. All right, so let's talk about that scent. That scent is mango. And then the peach hits you, all right? And then there's a back note of strawberry. And that's exactly what I get out of it. He said that's, it's not deeply complex or any of that stuff. So this one doesn't have tons and tons of layers. It's exactly what you get. A great summer scent. A lot of people like the fruit scents. So if you're one of those that likes the sweet fruity scents, this one is for you. And I like it myself, for sure. And we also have it in the butter. By the way, I tried the butter out last night. Pretty strong. Okay, so if you're putting this in bedtime, you may want to put it in an hour or two before bedtime to let it breathe a little bit before you jump into bed. But a really good scent. We've got to try this one out in my beard a little bit more with the oil to see how long it lasts throughout the day. But if it's anything like the butter was already lasting me a couple hours before I went to bed last night. The butter has jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and lanolin. And we're having issues with the summer with the shipping stuff with the butters. So it's a battle that all of the beard companies are fighting. This one, even though it had the extra little plastic top that was sealed onto it, even though it had that, and it didn't sit in my mailbox at all, but I guess it was sitting in hot trucks and that kind of stuff. But a little bit had leaked down here onto the to the label, so half the label's got stuff on it. And then when I opened it up yesterday, I did an unboxing, but we're not going to put that one on there. It was like wet grits. I could shake it around and it would kind of swirl. However, I fixed it. All right, so now it's back to its regular smooth goody goodness. So what I did was put it in the microwave because there's nothing here that's metal. Don't ever do that with a metal container. And I had the lid just kind of sitting on there. I didn't have it tight or anything. Put it in there for like 22, 23 seconds, something like that. And then I took it out and saw that it was just about all the way melted. I took a toothpick, stirred it around for about 30 seconds until everything was all melted, popped it in the freezer for 45 minutes, took it out, and now it is back to exactly the way you want it. All right, so it's pure hydration pretty much. So if you ever have that issue, you can check out the process. I did the video well over a year ago with some beard balm that I did that melting process on. My friend Rob from Straight Beard has done a couple of different options on melting it down and re-emulsifying it and putting it back together. All right, so if that happens to you, there's ways to deal with it, and all is not lost. All right, so please do check out that Fruity Fusion. It's going to go on sale Friday, July the 5th. All right, so be looking for that on Crusher's Creations website. A great summer scent, especially if you like the fruity stuff. So it once again is mango and peach, which are almost tied for how much. I get mango first and then the peach kind of takes over. So they're kind of tied. They're finding it out. Strawberry is just kind of in the back notes on that. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check it out, and we'll see you on the next one.